y'all, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to be doing this super quick but super cute half up half down style. You could literally get this done in 5 minutes. You could use any wig. Yes, this is done with the wig. So let's get into it. So I'm about to do like a super quick style and I thought I would film it. I've recorded this before a while ago, but I'm literally going to do this in real time so you can see how quick it is, and hopefully it's going to be like, you know, more informative. So this is a literal 5-minute half up half down. Now I haven't timed myself, so I don't know if it's literally 5 minutes. It might be less, it might be more, but the point is it's a super quick style. And I'm going out tonight, and this is like my go-to style that I do when I want to be cute but carefree. So, the last time I filmed this video, which was over a year ago, a lot of people was asking about like the wig that it was. So this is the same exact wig that I used last time. I just washed it because it was dirty. This is like a curly texture, like it's like almost like a borderline deep wave, borderline curly. But if you have Summer from the Luxe collection, you could literally use that. I only don't use that because it's still in good condition. This wig is just old and raggedy. I honestly don't even remember where I got this wig from and when. But you could use Summer if you have that from the Luxe collection, because it's literally like basically the same texture. This is just a 4x4 closure. So yeah, this is the wig that I'm gonna use, but because I want it to be like big and bushy, I'm literally going to finger comb it. Now my hair, I am literally going to take these pieces. Actually, I need a little bit more on this side. But I'm going to take some from this section because I need it to be kind of like even. So I'm going to just take a little bit here, like that. Twist that back up. And for me, I usually always have my hair in like these twists, because this is just what I do to my hair after I wash it if I don't like blow it out. So it's easier for me to like just grab. And then I need a little bit from this part right here. Then I'm gonna throw the other pieces into the pony. Then I'm gonna take my twist out. Yes, Angelica. You better give the girls Angelica realness. And I'm kind of rushing, so, but then I'm gonna take a brush and start to like smooth before I put the product. Put it up like this. Then I'm gonna add some Shine Jam, just literally a little bit around the perimeter. For real, my hair is gonna kind of be like covered up for the most part. And smooth that out. Wig cap. I mean, you don't have to put a wig cap on, but for me, I don't know what it is, but I just always like to have a wig cap on. And then I'm actually gonna secure my ponytail, and then I'll add the hair on after. So I'm gonna like do the pony. I love these hair ties. I got these from Dollar Tree and I'm hooked. They stretch so good. You don't gotta worry about them popping. Okay, and then boom, secure that like that. Okay, this is what we got so far. Then now we're gonna take, is my wig cap on? Okay. Now we're gonna take the wig, and I already have it adjusted. I got like the adjustable straps hooked on like this, and it also has an elastic band. So I'm gonna literally put the wig on, right? And we're gonna take some hair like this, and then like this, Is that gonna be enough? I might need a little bit more. Okay, now that I have the hair pulled, I'm gonna take another hair tie. This is what it's looking like so far. I'm gonna take another hair tie, and then I'm going to secure the hair like that. Boom. Now for one, the hair is secure because it's in the pony, so it's not going to go nowhere. But for two, you can pin it down if you're feeling subconscious, or just stick the combs in. I'm not really going to be doing too much tonight. We're going to be doing some hard laughing, maybe a little bit of twerking, you know, so it's all good. And then I'm going to brush this out to make it bigger. Then I'm going to secure the bun. Now, for this, I like it big. I'm gonna like play around with it. I'm probably gonna like fluff till it can't fluff. And then I'm going to, let me make sure, my hair was slipping out. And then I'm going to pin the sides down so it doesn't move. Okay, you still here with me? We here? All right. So then I'm gonna get some bobby pins. This is the last two on this, what's the name? We're gonna pin her down so she stays in place. The bun, I mean. We're gonna take a bobby pin and pin down one side of the bun so she don't act up. You know what I'm saying? And then we're gonna pin down the other side. Okay, bun ain't going nowhere. Wig ain't going nowhere. Shift it over a little bit. Was looking a little not to the side. Okay. And then, if, like I said, if you wanted to, you could pin something down on the sides. But for me, it's really not going no place, and you can't really like see it. This is what the back is looking like. You can't see anything. I hope I'm in the frame. Let me finish like getting ready, and then I'm gonna close out the video. Yeah, finished look. As you can see, it's not noticeable that you have a wig on. Is that crust? Oh, that's jam. I'm like, Lord Jesus. So yeah, y'all, that's it. Give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you are not subscribed. Drop down in the comments and let me know what you thought of this video and of this style. As you can see, I'm rushing. I got to go. So yeah, I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.